In this video we are going to trade this little indicator. It's the Fractal Adaptive Moving Average, and we are going to create a standalone expert advisor that is actually going to open positions. Now, how can we do that? First, please click on the little button here or press F4 in your MetaTrader. And now you should see the Meta Editor window, and here you want to click on File, New, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this version Simple iFramer Standalone EA. Click on Continue, Continue and Finish. Now we delete everything above the onTick function and the two command lines here. So first let's use the include function to import the file trade.mqh. It comes with a few useful trading functions that we are going to use to open new positions. We use it to create an instance of ctrade that will be called trade. Inside of the onTick function we just need to calculate the ask price and the bid price. Those are needed to open new positions. We get the ask price by using symbol info double for the current symbol on the chart. And with symbol underscore ask we will get delivered the price we want. For the bid price we would use symbol underscore bid. And normalized double and underscore digits are used to calculate the number of digits behind the dot. That might be different from one currency pair to another. We also create a string for the signal. Please don't assign a value right now, because that is going to be calculated later. Let's use MQRrates to create a price array. MQRrates is a structure that stores the information about prices, volumes and spread. Let's sort the array downwards by using array set as series and fill the array with data for 3 candles by using copy rates for the current symbol and the current period. We start from the current candle 0 and we store the prices for 3 candles in our price array. Now we need another array for the expert advisor. This one will be called framer array. Our framer definition can be created by using the internal function iFramer that comes with MQL5. It needs a few parameters. The first one is for the current symbol on the chart, the second one for the period. It's calculated based on 14 candles. If you click on Insert, Indicators, Trend, Fractal Adaptive Moving Average, you will see that we use 14 candles and we have a shift value of 0. That's what we use here. And the calculation is based on the close price. We also need to sort this one from the current candle downwards. Once again by using array set as series for our frame array. Let's use copy buffer according to the framer definition that we have created here. For the first buffer in the indicator, that's the blue line, from the current candle 0, and we store the values for 3 candles in our framer array. And now we can calculate our framer value by looking at candle 1 in the framer array, and we want to sell if the framer value is above the last candle high. So if our framer value is bigger than the high for candle 1 in our price array, we assign the word sell to our signal. There's also a buy signal. We want to buy if the framer value is below the last candle low. So if framer value is below the low of candle 1 in our price array, we would assign the word buy to our signal. Here comes the order. If the signal equals sell and positions total is less than 1, in other words we don't have any open positions, we use trade.sell to sell 10 microlot. In the other case we buy 10 microlot if the signal equals buy and we have no open positions. In that case we use trade.buy to buy 10 microlot. Finally we create a chart output by using the command function. It will output the text "the current signal is" followed by the signal, And now if you are ready, you can click on the compile button here or press F7. That should work without any errors here. And in that case, please click here or press F4 to go back to MetaTrader. And in MetaTrader, we click on View, Strategy Tester or press Ctrl and R. Please pick the file simple iframer standalone ea.ex5, enable the visualization mode here and start your test. And here we are. We have just opened our first sell trade here. This is our first position, and in this little video you learned how to output buy and sell signals for the fractal adaptive moving average and how to automatically open positions in a standalone expert advisor. And you have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL5 code.